Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala.
Economy. The economic jobs. We must give our children jobs.
Who would have thought that in the midst of all this happening in Nigeria, where citizens accuse one another of invading their spaces in the bushes, and the conflict that we have seen in Shasha, the conflict and the kidnaps happening all over Nigeria, that Nigerians will have something in common this week to come together? Who would have thought? After all, the phone pressers and Soroseki generation has a lot to emulate beyond dancing in robes and using the red light filter while they preach self-love. But everything changed on the 15th of February 2021 after Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala was appointed Director General of World Trade Organization, who has continued to prove that every girl has her own strength and power that can help her dismantle all obstacle at any stage of her life. What is she? Twitter NG is in a celebratory mood. Rightfully so. Every Nigerian girl child, every Nigerian father must be proud of this moment. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala served as Nigerian finance minister and spent 25 years at the World Bank, where she rose to the number 2 position of managing director. Here, Nigerians are not dancing naked. The young girls are not shaking their butts. But for the first time, the young girls, the ladies, the mamas, even the boys, the men joined. Everyone is trying to emulate the African Amazon. By every sense of it, that's what she is. The woman that has in the last 25 years only one Ankara, African Ankara, making herself proud. Yes, she's an American citizen, but she works with everybody, showcasing her pride as an African child, a girl from a little beginning. That's why we at Njenje Media here support this challenge. What is this challenge? You can see what people are doing. Everyone is happy. The challenge is very simple. Be like Ngozi challenge. Be like Ngozi challenge goes beyond the attires, the Ankaras that she wore. It is about training the girl child. Everyone must and should emulate this. How did she get there? Is that so easy for her? No, she didn't just get there because it was easy. In fact, if you remember, Donald Trump had said he would not support her. Sadly, Donald Trump lost the election and Joe Biden came in and supported her, and she became the Director General of World Trade Organization. And she's a neutralist. She's neutral. She's from Nigeria. She doesn't support the Americans, neither does she support the Chinese. That's why we are happy that this challenge is happening. But Joe Biden administration endorsed the 66-year-old former Nigerian finance minister and the World Bank chief, dismantling the only obstacle on her way. I wonder what Trump would think of Biden right now. And we are happy. The Igbo nation is happy, and the Igbo nation is so proud that one of our sister is making us proud in the world stage. Oh yes, we said it. We are proud. With Be Like Ngozi Challenge, Nigerian women are louding their voice and love for Madam Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, and there is a bit of positive twist. Temi Giwa Tuberson made her video supporting and promoting, say, people, let us go, let us make it happen. Everyone joined. It caught like wildfire. We must say we love Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala for making the African nation, for making the black race, for making every woman, and for inspiring every girl child to be her best. And one message that we cannot let go by is being yourself, being your authentic you. Look at her name, Ngozi, meaning blessing. Okonjo-Iweala. None of these names are English, are French. No, her names are Igbo names. It's about the content of your brain, not the names and how funky and sexy your names sound. But her brain has been something that has always distinguished her. What is it that you're doing to distinguish yourself? It is time, Nigerians, to love one another. Let this moment of unity be a moment that can unify us. Enjoy and the videos and the photos that people made just for this woman. Enjoy. Once more, this is Njenje Media TV. My name is Mike Udenta.